Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this loaded potato soup, and this soup was so rich and comforting, definitely perfect for the winter and the fall, but if you're making this in the summertime, shout out to you because it's still amazing. I'm over here still dreaming about it, and it's been like 2 weeks since I made this soup. Anyway, no long intro, we're just going to get straight into the soup. So let's go ahead and start off with the bacon. I'm going to be frying my bacon in the pot. I don't know the last time I fried bacon because I'm always just baking it in the oven because it's just like super messy, but for this recipe you definitely want to fry it in the pot so you can get those extra flavors for the soup. So I went ahead and cooked my bacon for about 5 minutes on each side, but the cooking time will depend on the thickness of your bacon, so just keep that in mind. Now I'm going to drain my bacon on a paper towel and move on to the next step, which is just adding the butter. I'm using this butter I got from Golden Stair. It was gifted to me, so I'm just going to be using this. This is roasted herb and garlic butter. It's really good. Obviously if you don't have this, you can just add in some butter and then add in some extra garlic later in the next step. So once my butter is melted, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my onions, and I'm going to saute that for about 3 minutes on medium-low heat. I know cooking with bacon grease and butter is crazy, but hey, it's a loaded potato soup, so we're just going to do it for today. It is what it is, but the soup is going to be fire. Just make sure you're not eating this every day or you're going to give yourself a heart attack. And next we're going to add in our garlic and just cook that for another minute. Now if you didn't use roasted herb and garlic butter like I did, you can go ahead and add in another clove of garlic in this step. I'll go ahead and list that in the instructions down below. Next we're going to toss in some flour and give that a nice stir and just let that cook out for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're just adding in the flour just to thicken up the soup a little bit. And then we're going to go in with our chicken stock. And then next our half and half, and also all of the spices that's listed on the screen. And you want to go ahead and give that a nice stir and then allow that to thicken up for about 5 minutes. And this is how I cut up my potatoes. I cut them medium diced, but you don't have to cut them perfectly because we're going to put this in the soup and then we're going to end up mashing them. So it's all good. It doesn't need to be perfect. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and add in the potatoes to the soup and allow that to cook for 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my bacon. And after 15 minutes, your potatoes should be cooked, so you want to go ahead and give that another stir. And then we're going to go ahead and use a potato masher and mash some of them, not all of them. You still want to have like little chunks of potatoes in your soup, so just be mindful of that. So go ahead and give that a nice mash, and then we're going to go ahead and start adding in all of the stuff that's in a baked potato. So just add in your sharp cheddar cheese and your bacon and give that a nice stir. And please don't leave any bacon comments. Like I understand some people don't eat bacon, pork bacon, let me say that. So if you don't eat pork bacon, you could just add in like carrot bacon or beef bacon. Like it's not that deep. Some people eat pork bacon. Anyway, give that a nice stir and give it a taste test. And at this point, it should be done. And now we're ready to serve. So let's go, because I was mad hungry at this point. So now it's time to plate up our soup. Well, in this case, bowl it up, whatever, even though nobody says that. We're going to pour our soup into a bowl, and then we're going to add on some sour cream, some shredded cheese, some of that chopped bacon, and some scallions. And we're going to devour this because the soup is so good. Like when I tell you, oh my God, it really feels like you're eating like a loaded baked potato, just like in soup form. So definitely check out this recipe if you haven't already. And let me know down below in the comments what you think. And also let me know down below in the comments if you like, you know, my videos a little bit faster or should I slow it up. I'm trying to like switch up my style a little bit, see what else works for me. But yeah, just let me know down below in the comments. And I really hope you guys like this recipe. And I will see you in the next video because you know the next video is going to be fire too. I'm trying to come with some heat. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, she's so strong on the inside. Your smile got me on the inside.